Speed test February number 2. Yes, speed test with the Sudoku Heavy in today's newspaper of a Friday. It's Friday, February the 1st, 2023, and every first Friday of the month I will do a speed test without any comments, any instructions. Alright, I've already solved one, the Sudoku Light with the speed test, and in the evening I will do the additional. Yeah, we have 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve in the evening, but first this speed test number 2, and it will be number 59 00. 5,900 Sudokus I've already solved. And the printed digits, well, this one has 25 printed digits. If you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, this will be a 3 stars. And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. But now, without any comments, without any instructions, so would be faster. Okay, let's get started. Let me scan. 6 4 4 4 6 6 4 4 3 3. Come on. 1. We have a pair. 6 and 1. 1 6 4. Okay. Come on. 4 4 4. 1 7 3. Okay. 7 3 6 1 4. 3 6 1 4. Okay. 9 should be here. 9. Okay. 9 9 9 9 9. Okay. 1 1 1. 3. Here should be the 3. 3. 3. Come on. 2 1 3 8 1 8 8. Yeah, not easy. 9. The 9 should be here. 9. Okay. 9 should be there. 4. The 6 should be here. 4 4 4 4. 5 4 5 4. 3 should be there. Come on. 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. Yeah. 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6. No. 5 5 1 6. These 3 5 1 6 5 1 6 5 6. These 3 should be 2 3 4 and 8. 2 4 8. 2 4 8. These 3 should be 3. The 3 should be here, of course. No. A 9 and 7 should be here. Then the 5, 4. This should be the 4. 5 and 8. Yeah, we got you. 5 5. Here 5. 7 9. Okay. 8 8. 8 8 8 8 8. Here should be 8. Then there should be 8. 8 and a 6. Need 1 here. Yeah. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. But the 6 then. 6 6. Come on. 297. We have a pair. 2 2 2 2 2 2. 7 and 9. 7 9 and 5. 3 1 and yeah. Come on. 7 8 4. The 4. No 4 here. 4 4. 4 4 4 4. 7 and a 5. These 3 should be 6. 7 is missing, and a 2 is missing. 2 2. So no 6 here. 6 should be there. 5 and a 1. Okay. 6 6 6. 5 and a 1. 5 and a 1. 5 and a 1. Okay. 2 2. Here should be the 2 2. 4. Here should be 2 for now. Need more information. Come on. 5 7 9. 3 1. And then 9 9 9. Come on. 7 1 7 5. 2 2 2 5 5 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and a 9. 7 9. Okay. 7 8. Hidden number. Then we have here 3 1 8 and 6. 1 8 and 6. Wow. 9 9. Here should be the 9. There should be the 9. 1 8 and the 6. Come on. 7 2 and the 5. 7 2 and 5. 7 2 and 5. 7 2 and 5. 7 and the 5. Yeah, it could be everything. What here? 7 and 6. 7 and 6. Come on. 7 and 6. 1 8. Here can it be a 7, of course. 6 2 6 2 1 8. 1. Wait. 6 2 6 2 1 8. Okay. Here we have 8 here. Okay. So 6 2 and 1. 6 2 and 1. 2 we have here. 2 2. 6 2 and 1. 8 8 8 8 8. Here I need 8. There I need 8. Here I need 8. 6 2 and 1. 6 2 and 1. 6 1 6 1. 7 6. Come on. 5 6 6. Yeah, 2. 1 2 3 4 No, need a 7 here. But yeah. 1, 2. Need a 9 here. No 9 here. No 9 here. I need a 9. Yeah. 4, 4. Overlooked. 7 and a 5. We have a 7 here. Overlooked. This should be the 5 then. 7, 7. This should be the 7. Then I need a 3. 3 here, 3. This should be the 3. I need a 1. This is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This should be 9. 9. 4 and 1. 5 and 1. 2 and 2 and 5. 2 and 5, yeah. 1 and 4, 8, 6 and 3. 8, 6. We have a 6 here. This should be the 6. This should be an 8. 5 and a 1. 1 and a 4. 5 and a 2. Come on, 9. Need a 6. 6, 6. Here, a 6. Here could be a 6. There could be a 6. 7 and 9. This should be the 7, the 9. 7, 6, 2. 7, 6, 7, 2. Okay. 2, 4, 8. 2, 8. This should be the 4. 2, 8. 2, 8. 2, 2. 8, 8. 8, 8. Come on. How about there? 8 and a 1. Yeah, 1 and a 6. Come on. 2, 8, 7, 2. 7 and a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5 here. So we have a 5 here, so I need a 5, 5, and 5 and a 1. We have a 5. This should be the 4. This should be a 1. Need a 1 here. 1 and a 6. Yeah, 1 and a 6. This should be a pair. This should be an 8. 4, 4. This should be the 4. 9. 1 box left for the 5 then. 5. 2, 2, 8, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 7. We have a 5 here. This should be the 7. This should be the 9. This should be the 7. 7 and 2 and 2. And this should be the 5. Then 5, 5, 5. 7 and a 6. 6 and a 1. 6 and a 1. 1, 6. 7 and a 6. This should be the 7, 6. 6, 6, 6. 1, 2, 1. And this should be the 2. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. 14 minutes. Yeah. 40 minutes. Let me check if this is correct. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct. Well, Sudoku Heavy. Yeah. We got, I believe, one hidden number. I believe this one, yeah. The 9. So, yeah, I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Have a great and fantastic Friday, and we will meet again in the evening. Yeah, in the evening I will do the rest of the puzzles in the additional half of them I will solve. So 4 puzzles are left in the additional. I believe I will do the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the tectonic, and also the binary. Yeah, alright. So have a great and fantastic Friday. It's last working day of the week, and tomorrow it's weekend. So have fun with the puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.